Okay, to download Google Classroom, go to your Play Store or iOS Store and type in Google Classroom. That will then open up the app, which you need to click on install. Once installed, you can open it up and click on Get Started. Then you might have other accounts on your phone, but please add your GLA JBay account. And in this case, it's going to be peterpan@glajbay.org. They're going to ask your password. Type that in for us, please. And then agree. Next up, you will have to click on the plus sign to join a class. And please type in the code that your teacher has shared for your specific class. That will then open up that specific class. In this example, it was a GLA training, teachers training. You can continue adding more by clicking on that plus button on the top right hand side, and so you can then add your other subjects to gain access to the classes. Enjoy.